About halfway. She screams.
We cheer.
She makes it through, grape retrieved and slightly mashed. Stage 5, the Wheelbarrow Wipeout. A relay race where teams push each other in wheelbarrows around makeshift cones made of flower pots and soda bottles. The wheelbarrow is rusty, squeaky, and probably haunted. Our camera guy ends up being the guinea pig. He holds on for dear life as Amon, the most overconfident pusher of the group, sprints full speed. They hit the first cone, lose control, and careen into the bird bath. The splash is cinematic. The neighbors clap. We pretend it was planned. Bonus stage. The mystery box maze, cardboard boxes stacked into a labyrinth with hidden challenges like find the banana, sing your favorite cartoon theme song, and do 5 jumping jacks with your eyes closed. It's part obstacle, part personality test. Tanvi gets lost for 6 minutes, emerges with a fake mustache she found inside a cereal box, and declares herself the maze queen. No one questions her authority. Throughout the course, we sprinkle water guns, balloons, and sneaky sabotage zones with banana peels and slippery soap patches. Every participant earns points for speed, style, and whether they screamed in slow motion. The leaderboard is nonsense. The real prize is glory and a free popsicle. And now, the finale. The final gauntlet, an all-out race through every obstacle in sequence. Contestants must sprint across the slackline or fall stylishly, crawl through the mud, swing across the rope, tunnel under the tarp, ride the wheelbarrow, survive the mystery box, and ring the bell at the finish line. Music blasts. Flags wave. A drone camera we borrowed from a friend takes flight and immediately crashes into a tree. It's chaotic. It's hilarious. It's everything we dreamed of. We see falls, screams, triumphs, and someone accidentally doing yoga in the mud. Finally, covered in bruises, pride, and a suspicious amount of glitter, we collapse at the finish line, laughing like maniacs. The camera pans out as we wave at the sky, yelling, "We survived the backyard gauntlet." Credits roll with a blooper reel of us slipping, sliding, and dramatically shouting "no" in exaggerated slow motion. The moral of the story? You don't need fancy gyms or ninja courses to challenge yourself. Just a little creativity, some friends willing to get messy, and a camera to capture the madness. The DIY Adventure Obstacle Course was a test of strength, silliness, and self-discovery. It reminded us that fun doesn't come from perfection. It comes from mud on your face, grass in your hair, and a grape in your mouth while crawling through a tarp tunnel. So go out, build your own obstacle course, challenge your squad, and remember, in life, as on the course, sometimes you fall, sometimes you fly, but either way, you always finish stronger than you started. See you next time, and until then, stay muddy, stay bold, and stay adventurous.